This is a bargain. I wasn't trying to pay $5.99 for shipping, so I'd rather spend that and get something else. Like, this might be the one. So, what it do, you guys? It's your favorite girl, Roya, here, back at it again with another video. And today I'm going to be doing the long-awaited. I had this package for a minute now, but I'm going to be doing a Ulta Haul. So I got a few drugstore stuff because you know your girl shopping on a budget, ain't got a lot of money to spend. So I'm gonna show you guys everything I got from Ulta, and also I got some stuff from Shopmissa A. Like, everything from Shopmissa A is $1. So we're gonna dive into this too. And I also got some stuff from Shop Hush as well, so I'm gonna show you that as well. So let's get into it. So we're gonna start off with everything I got from Ulta. And let's start off with something really good. This palette right here. I cannot wait to try. This is it's my Ray Ray / BH Cosmetic collaboration. I've been eyeing this bad boy for a while. I don't understand why I didn't get it. I don't really understand why I didn't get it. But now I got this. Packaging is real cute or whatever. This is what it looks like. And then it's a trifold. Like, it's just, so this is what the inside looks like. It looks really cute. Oh my god, this is cute. And these colors are right up my alley. Everyday wear look. So this is real cute. So yeah. So just to let you know, if you guys want a review on any of the products I mentioned, let me know down below what y'all want to see from your girl. Yeah. So I got this. Next thing I have are these Makeup Revolution Conceal and Defined foundations here, and this is what this looks like. And yeah, I'm excited to try these. I heard that these bad boys are real full coverage, and your girl love a full coverage, so can't wait to try these out. Next I got two other foundation, and yeah, this one is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation, and this is also full coverage. All the foundations I got is full coverage because your girl just love her some full coverage. So this one, well, it claims to be full coverage. I haven't tried it out yet, but it claims to be full coverage. So can't wait to try that. And I also have the LA Girl Pro Coverage Concealer Foundation as well. So people are comparing this to the Makeup Forever HD foundation. So I don't have that one, but they say this is a dupe, so I'm gonna try this out too. Next I got this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. So it comes with a highlighting powder and a contouring powder, and hopefully this contour would work, and if not, I'll just use it as like a face powder or something, but hopefully it works. Next I got the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder, and this is in the shade Banana, and your girl needed a new setting powder. You know, I just needed a new one. I'm tired of using my Laura Mercier powder, so got a new one. Next I got the Can't Stop Won't Stop NYX Concealer. Also off the NYX website, I also got the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation as well. And you know, when I ordered this, it came in a cute little baggie, and your girl needed free shipping or whatever, so I wasn't trying to pay $5.99 for shipping, so I'd rather spend that and get something else. So I got these two little mini NYX Pro Filter primers here. And altogether, I want to try a whole NYX video. So next I got, you know, I gotta re-up on my beauty blenders. So I got the Real Technique beauty sponge here, and you know, you never can have too many beauty blenders, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. So next I got this LA Girl Pro Prep Highlighting High Definition Smoothing Face Primer here. And I just got this because I was like, might as well put these two together because the same brand should work together. So I got both of these. So into the fun part. Shopmissa, everything on this website is $1. Holla for $1. So I got everything for $1 on shopmissa.com, and altogether I spent $36 for 36 items. Like, that's a deal. Like, your girl is always for a deal. Like, beauty on a budget, balling on a budget. Like, that's me. So the first thing I see here is, oh, by the way, it came in this like packaging bubble wrap. I just needed to show you guys. It just came all pretty, but like I tried to film this video more than once and it wasn't working out for me. This is like my 4th, 5th, 6th time filming this video, but I just wanted to show you. It came out nice bubble wrap. That's all I had to say. So I got this 10 eyeshadow brush set, and it comes with 10 makeup brushes for $10 in this nice case. Technically, I don't need another case, so I'm gonna give this to my sister, but it comes with 10 beautiful eyeshadows. Like these brushes are, it's not the softest brushes I have, but they're like fairly soft for $1. Like, you can, like, each brush is $1, so I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it. Next, I got some eyelashes because your girl is trying new things. So I'm wearing eyelashes now, so I got me a pack of 6 of them for $5. So yes, and this is by AOA Studios, and each one of these are like less than $1 for this is a bargain. Next, I got some more eyelashes. You know, these were also, I need to stop saying the price. They're all $1, but this one is in the style Violet, and this one is in the style Amila. Yeah, Amila. And these look cute. These are cute eyelashes. So I got some more eyelash beauty blenders. So I heard really good things about these, and these beauty blenders just for $1. Like, when I get beauty blenders and they're cheap, they're hard. They're like a rock. I just should pick up a rock and pat my face with it. But this one right here is so squishy and it feels amazing. It feels like I never had a real beauty blender, but my sister does. And comparing those two, this is not as soft as a beauty blender, but it comes near close to it for $1. Like, this might be the one. So, and I also got the microfiber beauty blender because I saw there's another one. I have the Juno microfiber sponge, and I want to compare those two because this one's $1 and I think I paid $5 for the other one. But I don't know, this one's soft too. I'm gonna go through everything I got from Shopmissa pretty fast. So this one, I got the brow gel, cosmetic diamond gloss in the shade Ruby, the Amuse eyeshadow primer in the shade Blank Canvas. I got me a blush, and this is in the shade Frenzy, an AOA Studio sculpting brow pencil, and this one is the AOA Wonder liquid eyeliner in the shade Black, or in the color Black, I should say. I got this mascara here. I got me another blush, and this is in the shade Stunner. Like, this one's pretty as well. I got me a little baby illuminizer. So this is like a little baby drop illuminizer, and a cream blush. Also got me another lip. I got me a lip oil and a little baby mascara, and it looks like this. Like, this is so tiny, but it's for the lower lash line. Next, I got this bronzer here, and this is what this looks like. And I got the shade number 4. So yeah, and that's everything I got from Shopmissa. Next from Shopmissa, I got the Amber Show collection here. Well, not this one. I got the Amber Show collection here. I got this eyeshadow, and it comes with 16 eyeshadows in here, and they're all beautiful and shimmery. Like there's three mattes, and the rest are shimmers. And yeah, highlighter palette. And girl, let me tell you, this came broken in the mail, and I was trying to send it back and tell them to send me another one. I wasn't. No, that will take too long. So therefore, I did my little magic trick and put a little bit of setting spray and press these babies down. But yeah, a little sneak peek, because I am going to do a review on these two palettes in a future video. And then I got her 3. It came with a set of 4, but I gave one away. I got this one is Daddy, this one is Trust Fund, and the next lip gloss is called Sugar. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!